If you're a massage therapist, a yoga teacher, a chiropractor, or any kind of wellness practitioner with your own practice, I want to ask you something. Are you growing or are you just maintaining? Because here's what I see all the time. You've built a solid practice. You have loyal clients who keep coming back. You get most of your new business from word of mouth. And that's great. That means you're good at what you do. But at the same time, word of mouth caps out. Your existing clients only know so many people. Your schedule is steady, but it's not really growing. And you're sitting there thinking, I want more, but where do the new clients come from? You've kind of maxed out the pool of people who need what you currently offer in your area. So what if you could tap into a completely new pool of clients? A different segment of clients who aren't even looking for what you offer right now. And add an extra $2,000 to $3,000 a month to your practice without losing a single client you already have. That's what I want to talk to you about today. So let's get into it. The skill I'm talking about is Thai massage. And before you think, oh, that's just another massage therapist, hear me out. Because this is relevant whether you're running a yoga studio, a chiropractic office, or a bodywork practice. Here's why this is different from just adding another service. Your current clients love you. They're not going anywhere, but they already know what you offer and they've already told everyone they're going to tell. And that referral pipeline has done its job, and now it's slowing down. Thai massage opens up a completely different client segment. People who would have never walked through your door before. Think about it. If you're a yoga teacher, your clients are people who want group classes. But there's a whole segment of people who want the benefit of yoga-style stretching but don't want to be in a group class. They want one-on-one therapeutic work. Thai massage is literally called lazy man's yoga. It gives them everything they want, and they'll pay premium rates for it. These are people who are never going to sign up for your 6 p.m. vinyasa class. They're a brand new audience. If you're a chiropractor, you're getting patients who come for adjustments. But there are people in your area dealing with chronic tension, mobility issues, and pain who would never think to book a chiropractor appointment. But they would book a Thai massage session. Now you're reaching to them too. And once they're in your office, they see everything else you offer. If you're a massage therapist, your clients want Swedish or deep tissue. But Thai massage attracts a completely different person. Someone looking for therapeutic stretching, movement-based body work, fully clothed work with no oil. These aren't the same people calling you right now. This is a new market. And that's the key. You're not reshuffling your existing clients. You're unlocking a door to people who didn't even know they needed you. Now here's what makes this even more exciting if you're looking to grow. The demand for Thai massage is already there, and almost no one is filling it. People are discovering Thai massage through social media, through travel, through friends who've tried it and won't stop talking about it. They go searching for a Thai massage therapist in their area, and they find nothing, especially in smaller areas. Maybe they'll find one person, maybe nobody. That's a growth opportunity just sitting there waiting for you. Your current word of mouth referrals are limited to people who already know they want what you offer. But the people searching for Thai massage, they're a completely separate audience. They're actively looking for these services, credit card in hand, and they can't find anyone to give it to them. When you add Thai massage to your practice, you're not fighting for a bigger share of the same market. You're stepping into a market that has demand and almost no supply. That's the easiest kind of growth there is. And these tend to be higher quality clients. People seeking out Thai massage are typically more health conscious, more willing to invest in their wellness, and more likely to become long-term regulars. They're not bargain hunting. They're looking for the best therapist they can find. So now picture this. Your existing clients keep coming. Your word of mouth keeps doing its job. But on top of that, you now have a stream of completely new clients finding you because you offer something nobody else in your area does. And that's how you break through the ceiling. Not by squeezing more out of your existing network, but by opening up a whole new one. Let me tell you about some real therapists who were in exactly the spot I'm describing. Carolyn was an experienced massage therapist with a solid practice. Good clients, steady income. But she plateaued. Word of mouth has done its job, and there was no obvious next move. She added Thai massage to her offering after training with us at Thai Healing Massage Academy. And within just 2 months, she added $2,400 a month to her income. Not from working more hours, but from attracting a completely new segment of clients who were looking for Thai massage. Her existing clients stayed. Her new Thai massage clients were all additional revenue on top. One skill opened up an entirely new chapter. And it's not just massage therapists seeing this. We've trained yoga teachers who now offer private Thai massage sessions alongside their group classes, reaching clients who would have never signed up for a yoga class but are happy to pay for one-on-one therapeutic sessions. We've trained chiropractors who brought in a whole new patient base by offering Thai massage as a service. We've trained personal trainers who've added recovery sessions that their competitors couldn't match. Every single one of them had the same story. My practice was good, but it wasn't growing. Thai massage was the growth lever. We've trained over 3,000 students since 2001. Our lead instructor and founder, Shama Kern, has been teaching and practicing Thai massage in Thailand for over 20 years. This isn't just something that we just started doing. This is a proven system that works across all kinds of practices. All right, let's talk about actual numbers, because this is where it gets real. Remember, we're not talking about replacing your current income. Your existing clients stay. Your current revenue stays. This is all additional. Thai massage sessions typically command between 80 to 130 for 60 minutes and 150 to 180 for 90 minutes. And again, this mainly depends on your location. These are premium rates because it's a specialized service with very few providers. Here's a simple scenario. Let's say you add just 5 Thai massage sessions per week to your existing schedule. That's 1 per day. At $120 per session, that's $600 a week. That's $2,400 a month in additional income, on top of everything you're already earning. Want to push it further? 8 sessions a week at $120 puts you at $3,840 a month. That's over $46,000 a year in extra income from a client segment that wasn't coming to you before. And here's the part that makes it sustainable in the long run. Thai massage uses your body weight instead of your thumbs and hands. It uses forearms, elbows, knees, and feet. That means these additional sessions don't destroy your body. You can actually handle an extra volume without burning out. Our founder, Shama Kern, has been doing this for over 2 decades, and his body is in great shape. That's by design. The system is built to protect the therapist, not just help the client. So you're keeping your current practice, adding a new revenue stream from new clients, earning more per session, and your body can actually handle the growth. That's the kind of math that actually works. Now here's what I love about it, and it's the reason Thai massage works so well as a growth strategy. It doesn't feel like starting something from scratch. It blends naturally into what you're already doing. If you're a massage therapist, you already understand body mechanics, pressure, client communication. Thai massage builds on all of that. You're not learning a completely foreign skill. You're expanding your existing skill set in a direction that opens a new market. Your existing clients might even try it and love it. But more importantly, you're now visible to a whole new audience who's searching for Thai massage specifically. If you're a yoga teacher, the connection is even more direct. Thai massage involves the same stretches, the same body awareness, the same understanding of movement and breath work that you already teach every day. The transition is natural, but instead of earning $15 to $25 per student in a group class, you're now offering private therapeutic sessions between $80 to $120 or $150 each. Same knowledge base, completely different revenue model, completely different clients. If you're a chiropractor, Thai massage enhances your adjustments. The stretching and mobilization work prepares the body, improves outcomes, and gives patients a reason to come in more often. It fits right into your existing patient flow. And it attracts people dealing with chronic tension and mobility issues who might never have thought to see a chiropractor, but they'll book a Thai massage session in a heartbeat. The point is, you're pivoting. You're not starting over. You're growing from where you already are. Thai massage plugs into your existing expertise and your existing practice and gives you a path to teach people who couldn't reach you before. Your current clients stay loyal. Your word of mouth keeps working. And now you have a second engine running alongside it, bringing in new people and new revenue. So how do you actually make this happen without disrupting what you're already doing? It's simpler than what you think. At Thai Healing Massage Academy, all our training is online. You learn at your own pace, on your own schedule. You don't need to close your practice and fly somewhere else for 2 weeks. You study when it works for you. Evenings, weekends, between clients, and you have direct access to us as well. Our courses are NCB TMB approved. So if you're a licensed massage therapist in the US, you're earning continuing education credits while you learn. And because of how our training is structured, clear video demonstrations, body mechanic focus, real therapeutic applications, you can start incorporating techniques with your clients within 2 weeks. You don't wait months to see results. You start seeing results almost immediately. If you want to explore this for yourself, we have a free Thai massage introductory video series. The link is in the description below. No commitment, no pressure. Just go and see what Thai massage looks like. See how it feels and whether it makes sense to incorporate it in your practice. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe. I put out new content every week for massage therapists and practitioners who want to build a practice that stands out, pays well, and doesn't wreck your body in the process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.